Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Study Time. So, here is the video for the Mathematics Chapter 1 for Class 7. Chapter 1, that is Integers. If we are studying the chapter Integers, the first question arises that what is an integer? Answer will be an integer is a positive or negative whole number including 0. Example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. The numbers are till infinity. There are 4 integer operations. First one is addition. Second is subtraction. Third is multiplication. Fourth is division. These 4 integers with their symbols: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, plus, minus, multiply and divide. Rule 1 for adding integers is the sum of two positive integers is always positive. For example, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Rule 2 for adding integers. The sum of two negative integers is always negative. For example, -5 plus -1 is equal to -6. Rule 3 for adding integers. The sum of a positive and a negative integer could be positive, negative or 0. Rule 3 is continued. When you add a positive and a negative integer, you are really subtracting. Then you give the answer the sign of the greater absolute value. For example, 5 plus -1 is equal to -4. -5 plus 1 is equal to 4. There is difference in both. And the third is -5 plus -5 is equal to 0. Now let's practice addition. So here are the 5 questions and I am giving you the time of 10 seconds to solve these questions. Time up. Now let's check the answers. Now here are all the answers. On the screen, answer 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are visible now. And you will need to correctly change all the subtraction problems into addition problems. Now the question is, how do you change a subtraction problem into a addition problem? There are 3 steps. First is keep the first integer the same, change the subtraction sign into an addition sign. Third is take the opposite of the number that immediately follows the newly placed addition sign. Same, change, change. Now think, same, change, change. Example, 5 minus -2 is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. -5 minus 2 is equal to -5 plus -2 is equal to -7. Now let's practice subtraction. For this also 10 seconds will be given to you. Start the subtraction questions fastly. Time up. Now let's check the answers. All the answers are on your screen. Now cross check your answers. Rules for multiplying integers. The product of two integers with the same sign is positive. The product of two integers with different sign is negative. Rule summary for multiplication. Positive into positive is equal to positive. Negative into negative is equal to positive. Positive into negative is equal to negative. Negative into positive is equal to negative. Now let's practice multiplication sums. I am giving you 10-second time to solve these equations. Time up. Now let's check the answers. All the answers are displayed on your screen. Cross check your answers. Did you know that the rules for multiplication and division are the same? Guess what they are? The rules for division are exactly the same as those for multiplication. If we were to take the rules for multiplication and change the multiplication sign to division sign, we would have an accurate set of the rules for dividing integers. The quotient of two integers with the same sign is positive. The quotient of two integers with different sign is negative. Now the rule summary for division. Positive divided by positive, positive. Negative divided by negative, positive. Positive divided by negative, negative. Negative divided by positive, negative. Questions of let's practice division. Your timer is started. Time up. Now let's check the answers. Answers are displayed on your screen. Cross check your all the answers. Let's review what we have done it today. First question, what is an integer? Answer, an integer is a positive or negative whole number including 0. Second question, can you give an example of an integer? Yes, we can. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 till infinity. Alright? Now the third question, what are the four integer operations? Answer, the four operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next question, how do you add integers? Answer, the sum of two positive integers is always positive. The sum of two integers is always negative. When you add a positive and negative integer, you are really subtracting. Then you give the answer of the greater absolute value. Next question, how do you subtract integers? Answer will be to subtract an integer, add its opposite, same, change. Next question, how do you multiply integers? If the signs are the same, your answer is always positive. If the signs are different, your answer is always negative. Next question, how do you divide integers? Answer will be, if the signs are the same, your answer is always positive. If the signs are different, your answer is always negative. Multiplication and division rule are the same. So the chapter introduction part is completed. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon also if not clicked yet. A kind reminder to like, share, comment and save the video and not subscribed yet. Subscribe the channel the end. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.